Honda is expanding its premium lineup like never before. Let's take a quick look at everything Honda has revealed. First up is the Honda ADV 160. This adventure-style maxi scooter is powered by a 160cc liquid-cooled engine and will become India's first E85 flex fuel-compatible scooter. It gets a TFT display with Honda RoadSync, traction control, single-channel ABS, a 27-liter under-seat storage compartment, and an 8.1-liter fuel tank. If you're looking for a premium scooter with adventure styling, the ADV 160 could be worth waiting for. Next is the all-new Honda CB500. Designed as a heritage roadster, it uses a new 501 cubic centimeter single-cylinder engine and will be offered in 3 variants. It also features Honda selectable torque control, a slipper clutch, and Honda RoadSync connectivity. Since it will be manufactured in India, buyers can expect more competitive pricing compared to imported models. Honda has also expanded its cruiser lineup with the Rebel 300 and Rebel 500. Both motorcycles share the same low-slung, bobber-inspired styling, relaxed ergonomics, and low seat height. They will also be offered with Honda's e-clutch technology, allowing clutch-free gear shifts while still retaining manual clutch operation. The Rebel 300 is powered by a 281 cubic centimeter liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine, while the Rebel 500 gets a 471 cubic centimeter parallel twin engine for better highway performance. The biggest highlight is that both motorcycles will now be manufactured in India, which should make them much more affordable than before. For adventure enthusiasts, Honda has introduced the XR300L and XR300 Rally. Both motorcycles are powered by the same 293C engine and feature long travel suspension, switchable dual-channel ABS, and Honda selectable torque control. The XR300L is designed as a lightweight dual-purpose motorcycle for both daily commuting and off-road riding, while the XR300 Rally adds rally-inspired styling, better wind protection, and touring-focused equipment for long-distance adventures. Finally, Honda has refreshed the CB350 lineup. The CB350, CB350RS, and CB350C receive new color options, while the mechanical package remains unchanged. With this announcement, Honda has made it clear that it's strengthening its presence across multiple segments, including cruisers, adventure motorcycles, premium scooters, and electric mobility. The company says these models will be launched in phases, with prices and launch dates to be announced later. Which of these new Honda models are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like, subscribe to Gears and Pistons, and I'll see you in the next one.